एफडीएचो ॲक्शन मोड सुरूच. एफडीएन स्पेशल सर्वेलन्स ड्राईव्ह तिसवाडी तालुक्यात कंडक्ट केलो. या वेळार सुमार 20 आउटलेटांचे इन्स्पेक्शन करून 11 प्रिमायसीस बंद करपाचो आदेश एफडीएन दिला. हे प्रिमायसीस अनहायजिनिक तशेंच एअर व्हायोलेशन्स करताले, जाका लागून तांचे ऑपरेशन्स बंद केल्ल्याचे एफडीएचे अधिकारी सांगतात. ह्या आउटलेटां मदीं बेकरीज, रेस्टॉरंट, फास्ट फूड जॉइंट्स हांचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो. त्याच प्रमाण हेर कांय आउटलेटांक इम्प्रुव्हमेंट नोटिसीस एफडीएन जारी केल्ल्याचे एफडीएचे अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगले.
आयज एफडीएन रेड मारला तालिगांव कारंजाले कितें एक्चुअली आयज मेळ्ळा?
सो आयजचो जो आमचो सर्वेलन्स ड्रायव्ह जाल्लो आसा, वी हॅव स्टार्टेड इन दीस एरिया ऑफ तिसवाडी, and today specifically we have checked the premises in Karanjalem area as well as a few premises in Taligaon, and now we will be continuing in Miramar area. So this is the same special surveillance drive that we've started, which is happening throughout the state, and our team today we have done 20 premises in this area, and we will be continuing. We will be covering up all the eateries, especially in the Taligaon interior areas as well as in the remaining premises in Karanjalem and in Miramar. Our sole objective is to ensure that there is proper hygiene norms are being followed, and at the same time we are also creating awareness on the importance of following the hygiene. Today's surveillance drive, out of the 20 premises that we have done, 11 unfortunately we had to ask them to stop their operations till the time they have complied with our directives. The others have been issued improvement notices. We will be coming back to verify this in the time frame that we've given them, that is 7 days, and if they fail to verify, then there will be further legal action taken. Meanwhile, the others areas will also be covered in the coming next 2 or 3 weeks.
What are the major things you've got to?
So the major non-compliances is that we have seen that the workers, they are not having proper sanitary cards, which is one of the requirements. Similarly, there are violations in terms of the kitchen designs. We have seen that the maintenance is not done of the kitchen. The premises are running, but the operators are not maintaining the kitchen. So there were a lot of broken tiles, a lot of pest activities were observed. So in those terms, we have noted all these non-compliances, and we have given them directives to carry out these corrective renovation works in their kitchens.